Hi, my name is Samyukta. I am currently a third year student at Kingston University, doing my undergrad in architecture. To describe my style a bit better, I just wanted to show this video describing my portfolio. So, this is my portfolio. I decided to keep it very minimal, um, just so that the work can speak for itself. So for this portfolio, I decided to kind of focus and show you guys different skills that I have obtained throughout my undergrad course at uni doing architecture. So the first page is the model making skills that I have obtained. So this was a group project where we had to do president study of the New Horizon Youth Center, and the first images of the model are the fabric models. So we just decided to use different kind of materials to show a section of the New Horizon Youth Center and the fabric that was used to create it. The images at the bottom are a site model of the location that the New Horizon Youth Center was located in. And we have also highlighted the building in black so it stands out from the rest of the site model. And the last image is a structure model specifically of the roof, because we found that very interesting and it was very different from any other roof in the area. So we decided to focus on that for the structure model. The next page is a site model that I did in second year, and I feel like I've definitely come a long way from that compared to the site model on the previous page. This was a site model of the location of the Trellick Tower, and I decided to just keep it all white and just have like a very simplistic approach to it. The images on the bottom of the page are a few sketch models and some interior models of a design project that I had to do, which was supposed to be a housing project. I was really happy with myself about this project, and I decided to focus on using timber for the project mainly because of sustainability, and I also felt like it really worked really well in the end in terms of my design. The next page is my vectorwork skills. This is a site plan that I did of Culross, Scotland. We had to do it in our last year of uni. And yeah, I feel like I put in a lot of detail into it, just to help the user understand it better. The one at the bottom is a president study as well of the Gifu Kagata apartment building. Since I had to do a project based on housing, I did some research and I found presidents that worked best with my kind of design idea. And this one really stood out to me, and I definitely took a lot of inspiration from it after I did my research about it. This is also showing my vectorwork skills. So this is just an elevation of the Trellick Tower, and this really, like the site model on the previous page, really helped me work better on this elevation. The bottom of the page are just a few drawings of the New Horizon Youth Center section, to understand the fabric a bit better, and then there was also a plan. This was also a group project. The next page. So for this page, I just kind of wanted to show my skills using different artistic methods, also to show the way I portray in interior design. So the first one I decided to use just oil paints, and I decided to keep a very minimal color theme, which I really liked, and I felt like that way I could show reflection and light, which I hope that I have conveyed through this image. And the one at the bottom is just a charcoal drawing of the same interior but a different location. of the building, and I decided to use charcoal since I think charcoal really like helps you understand the atmosphere and the feeling of being in the building in terms of how dark it is and how where the light comes from. The next page is my president study skills for my dissertation. So obviously for my dissertation I had to do a lot of research, and I decided to choose the Taj Mahal since I feel like the Taj Mahal really is the thing that sparked my interest in architecture. So I visited it when I was very young, about 9 years old, and since then I've always really been interested in buildings and the design of it and everything. So these are just a few sections that I did, and a sketch of the specific part of the building and an image that I took when I went there again last year for my primary research. The last page is just a base study of the design project that I had did in second year, and I used Photoshop to kind of give a better feeling of the atmosphere that it would be in, and kind of also help me decide the materials that I need to use, the type of cladding I needed for my timber, or even the color of the timber that I needed it to be. Yeah, so this is all my skills that I decided to show in my portfolio. Yeah, thank you.